the Egyptian pyramids are an example of architectural marvel, and among them the foremost is the Pyramid of Giza. That's all we will be talking about. Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh, and in today's video we will be discussing about the hidden corridor that has been found in the Greater Pyramid of Giza, which is seen for the very first time. So let us first understand the timeline of the video. First we will be looking at the news, then about the Greater Pyramid of Giza and why is it so famous and what are the features of it, then about what is found inside the Greater Pyramid, then about the latest discovery, the hidden corridor that has been found, then about the Scan Pyramids project under which the hidden corridor has been found. In the end, a prelims MCQ. So this topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 1, which is Art and Culture. So from exam perspective, you should be able to know about the Great Pyramid of Giza and about the overall Egyptian pyramids. So let's see the news, and the news has been taken from the Indian Express, and it says, why is the discovery of hidden corridor in the Greater Pyramid of Giza important? So for the very first time, a hidden corridor has been found in the Great Pyramid of Giza. So whenever we hear the word pyramids, which country comes to our mind? So that is Egypt, because Egypt is famous for its pyramids, which is considered to be an architectural marvel. Okay, see this image. These are what is called as the pyramids. So they are very tall in height, and at the point of time when they were actually built, they were considered to be the tallest building, and especially the Pyramid of Giza, or you would say the Great Pyramid of Giza. But now Eiffel Tower and other buildings have come to place, so they are not the tallest buildings anymore. So before starting, let's first see the location of Egypt in the map. So this is the Egyptian country, which on the southern part is surrounded by Sudan, on its western side is Libya, on its northern side is Mediterranean Sea, and on its eastern side is the Saudi Arabia, and then this is what the country is surrounded by. So this is the location of Egypt. So what becomes important is that you should be able to know that it is the Mediterranean Sea which forms a boundary with Egypt. So let's see what has actually happened. So a hidden corridor which is around 9 meter long and roughly 2 meter wide has been unearthed by scientists in the Great Pyramid of Giza. So pyramids, as we know, is a structure which has a very wide base, and as we go upward in the pyramid, so the structure which is very wide at the bottom starts to cut down and becomes very sharp at the top. So the structure which the pyramids follow is very solid at the base and very sharp at the top. So this is what actually the pyramids structure is very simple, and that is why they have been standing since thousands of years, and especially the Pyramid of Giza, which is as old as 4,500 years. So what has happened is, in this pyramid, which has a lot many things inside it, so it is very interesting to know that what all lies in the pyramid and inside the pyramid, that we will be seeing in the coming slides. So inside the pyramid, a hidden corridor has been found by the scientists, and this hidden corridor is close to the main entrance of the 4,500-year-old Great Pyramid of Giza. So this pyramid has an entrance. Okay, for example, this is the entrance of pyramid. I'm just giving you an example. This is the entrance of pyramid. So close to the main entrance, if this is the entrance, then you can imagine that you can say, if this is the main entrance, that close to the entrance a hidden corridor has been found. Then the discovery was originally made by the Scan Pyramids project in 2016. So the hidden corridor which has been found comes under the Scan Pyramid project. Then Scan Pyramid projects have used a technology which is non-invasive technique called cosmic ray muon radiography. So these two are important points. first you should be able to know that which is the project. So the project name is Scan Pyramid Project. And second, you should be able to know that which technique has been used. So the technique that has been used is cosmic ray muon radiography. So this is the technique which has been used. Then about the Great Pyramid of Giza. So Great Pyramid of Giza is largest of the 3 pyramids in Giza, and it has been originally standing roughly 147 meter above the Giza plateau. So at the time when the Great Pyramid of Giza was built, it was considered to be the tallest building, and around hundreds of years it was the tallest building in the world. Then the construction was started in 2550 BC and during the reign of Khufu. So at the point of time when the Great Pyramid of Giza was built, the reign of Egypt was under Khufu, Khufu, and King Khufu is considered to be the greatest pharaoh of Egyptian Old Kingdom. So when the Great Pyramid of Giza was built, who was sitting at the reign of Egypt? It was the pharaoh Khufu. And pyramid was built using 2.5 million stone blocks, each weighing between 2 to 15 tons, and this line has been said by the National Geographic, which says that the pyramid was built using 2.5 million stone blocks. And this is considered to be a feat of engineering unmatched for thousands of years, because at that point of time we can actually think that during the time of 2550 BC, such an architectural or an engineering marvel was constructed by people, which till now is standing, and now the whole Egyptian economy around the Pyramid of Giza revolves around the tourism sector. And it is only one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world still in existence. So this is also what makes the Pyramid of Giza all the more special, because it is the only of the 7 wonders of the ancient world which is still in existence. Okay, now see this image. This is actually the image of the hidden corridor that has been found by the scientists. So this has been taken using an endoscopic which was inserted in the corridor, and then this picture was taken. Now let's talk about inside the Great Pyramid. What we see inside the Great Pyramid. So ancient pyramid shaped masonry structures located in Egypt, and these were built as tombs for the country's pharaohs and their consorts. So as majorly these kind of pyramids and tombs are made for the kings and the queens, and they work as their tombs. Then earliest among these is the Pyramid of Djoser. So there are many pyramids in Egypt at this point of time, but the earliest of the pyramid which was found was the Pyramid of Djoser, while the Pyramid of Giza or the Great Pyramid of Giza is considered to be the tallest among all. Then most famous Egyptian pyramid are those found at Giza. Now let's talk about the latest discovery. And okay, this is the picture which you can see that this is the chevron which was seen, and behind this chevron is what the hidden corridor has been found by the scientists. So the latest discovery has detected an empty space behind the northern face of the Great Pyramid, and this empty space has been found behind this wall, and this is about 7 meters above the entrance, which is 9 meter long and 2 meter wide, and is marked on the outside with a stone slab with a chevron structure. As I just show you, this is the picture. It exactly looks like this. Then the initial discovery of a void was made using an imaging technique known as cosmic ray muon radiography. This is an important point, that you should be able to know that which technique was used to see or to find the hidden corridor. And it uses penetrative power of cosmic subatomic particles called muons to scan large structures. This was about the latest discovery and the technique which has been used. Okay, now see this image. This is how a pyramid from inside looks like. Okay, see, if this is the structure of the pyramid, so every pyramid has a ascending gallery and a descending gallery. So imagine if this is the entrance, then this is the descending gallery and this is the ascending gallery, and the entrance is basically at the intersection of the ascending and the descending gallery. From the ascending gallery one can go upward, and from the descending gallery one can go downwards, and there is a king's chamber inside it and a queen's chamber inside it. So this is how you can say a pyramid from inside looks like. And then the lower part of the image shows that the satellite view of the pyramid of Giza. So this is the Great Pyramid of Giza, and it is considered to be the tallest of all the pyramids. And the Pyramid of Giza, if you will see the location in the map, it is situated very near to the capital of Egypt, which is Cairo. Now let's talk about the Scan Pyramid projects through which or under which the hidden corridor has been found. And the Scan Pyramid project was initiated in the year 2015, and the international project that uses various high-tech instruments, and it employ and non-invasive infrared thermography, ultrasound, 3D simulations and cosmic ray radiography to study the structures. And this time the cosmic ray radiography technique was used. Then many secrets hide behind the thick walls in often physically inaccessible places, and that is why it is said that the Egyptian pyramid is considered to be something which is very intriguing for people to know that what lies inside the Egyptian pyramids, because many secrets are considered to be lying inside the Egyptian pyramid, and that is why people are so curious to know about them. Now in the end, it's time for the prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. And this says, which of the following countries shares a coastline with Red Sea? So this is a map question. You should be able to tell me Egypt, Sudan, Saudi Arabia and Syria. And I showed you the map in the starting also, that which of the following countries shares a coastline with Red Sea: Egypt, Sudan, Saudi Arabia or Syria. And the codes given are 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3 only, 2, 3 and 4 only, or 1, 2, 3 and 4. So try to give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.